on video. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Hey, Barry. Who's ready for a stocking? Who's ready?
What does brother have?
Is this fun? Come on, Zero.
Oh, that's a great. He goes, that's all I need. I'm good.
Oh, no. Oh, that scares me. Barry, there's more.
Oh.
Who wants a bone? Who wants a bone for later? Do you want a bone for later? He's like, I
No,
want
don't give it to him. It's got wrapping on it.
It's
Huh?
got wrapping on it right now, Papa.
No.
Barry. That's good.
So that's mine, though. Because it's mine, brother.
A dentist stick? Who's the luckiest pup? Barry, you're lucky, aren't you? And another dentist stick. Oh my gosh, right? I feel more, Barry.
There's more stuff? I thought that was it.
I think I feel more.
No.
Oh, I don't feel more. False alarm. He says, thank you.
Did you see, Barry, did you see Santa last night? Was he here? Because he brought me gifts. Yay! And it's a bone I want. Yay!